Hey there everyone! In this video, you'll see a custom piece of furniture that we repurposed for a client of ours. I'm also going to share with you later on how to make more money doing this. Stay tuned and you'll find out how. So let me just explain the process. We purchased the top of a hutch on Facebook Marketplace. I guess the owner decided to keep the bottom part as a sideboard. So we started this project by removing the hardware, scuff sanding the entire piece, and priming it. Once that was completely done, we painted the entire piece, and then we added the new legs and painted those as well. We staged it, and it was ready to go. Our client was delighted with the piece and couldn't wait to get it home. So here's the tip on how you can make more money. Usually we would purchase a vintage or antique piece of furniture and refinish it and then flip it for a profit. But the way you can make more money by buying old, outdated hutches is by separating the pieces and refinishing them individually. So this way you can make double the profit or an increased profit. Here's a good example of a project we've done. This black and mustard sideboard was the bottom of a hutch, and the black display cabinet was the top. So you see, we made two pieces of furniture by refinishing them differently. By adding legs to the display cabinet, it created a unique piece on its own. So then, we sold these two pieces separately and increased our profit significantly. Do you have an old hutch that you find is just too big, bulky, and outdated for your space? Well, now you know you can repurpose it by taking one piece and creating two separate pieces. You can have a sideboard, and then you can have a display cabinet by just adding legs to it. It's amazing what you can do when you reuse and repurpose old furniture. You just have to take that first step and try. If you want to learn how to upcycle a piece of furniture and save it from the landfill, keep watching our videos. Please also consider subscribing to our channel so you don't miss out on upcoming videos, and hit the thumbs up button if you like our content. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you again soon.